Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepshan Abhijit Mulik. Today's date is 6th of December 2021 and today's our discussion topic is discussion about the string. So before starting our today's discussion topic, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatreya Mulik. I am from Kalam, district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from G.H. Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Wagholi, Pune, and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Sweris College of Engineering and Polytechnic, Pandharpur. That's all about me. So now we will talk about our today's discussion topic, that is the discussion about the string. So if you talk about a string is a collection of or binding of the characters or the numbers or the symbols, any of the characters binded together or to get a string, and the string is defined within the double quotation marks. Means for defining the string we can use the double quotation mark. So string is defined by using the two ways. First one is using the by new keyword and by using the string literal. By for string literal, define string by using inside the double quotation mark, and for the declaration of the string by using the new keyword, then the string is declared by string a equal to new string, and then the in square bracket string is declared, like that. These are the two ways of declaration of the string. So if you talk about the string is a class, and inside a class there is a lot of methods present inside the string. So if you talk about the methods inside the string, so there are a lot of methods present inside the string. So now we will see about the some of the methods of the content inside the string class. So first one is the concat method. So what is meant by concat methods? If there are two strings are given, that is the string a equal to something and string b equal to something, then we can concat a dot concat b, means the string a is concatenated with b, and getting string in put that value in the string c. If we print that string c, then we get output that joining of that string a and string b, means first string a is there and then next string is there. Means suppose string a is abc and string b is abc d e f, then we get the string c is abc d e f, like that. That is the concat method. So now we will see about the next method, that is the contains method. If you talk about the contains methods, contains method is used to find any character present inside the string or not, means it gives the boolean values of the string. That's the meaning of that, or the uses of that contains methods. Means if the string is given and we want to find that a character is present inside the string or not, if that present, then it gives the output true, and is not present, then gives the output as false. This is about the contains method. Now we will see about the next method, that is the two-char array methods. Means if you talk about the two-char array methods, the all the string is converted into the separate array, means the characters or that symbols or numbers present inside the string will be separated into the array, and that all the elements converted in an array with a particular index. That's the use of that two-char array in the in the methods of that string class. So now we will see about the next method, that is the substring method. If you talk about the substring method, the string is converted into the particular substring, means we can convert one string into two or more than two string according to our use. That is the use of that substring method. Now we will see about the next method, that is the trim methods. If you talk about the trim method, the front space or the last spaces are present inside the string that are all are removed by using the trim method. That's the use of that trim method inside the string class. Now we will see the next method, that is the two uppercase method. Means all the characters present inside the string will be converted into all the uppercase characters. That's the use of the two uppercase method inside the string class. Now we will see the next method of that string class, that is the two lowercase method. So two lowercase method is used to convert all the character inside the string into lowercase character. Means lowercase character is present inside the string, that remains in lowercase, but the uppercase will be converted into lowercase. That's the use of that lowercase method present inside the string. Now we will see the next method of the string, that is the index of method. Means if there is one character we will take, that is the a, and we will find the first character first index of that a inside the string, that will be printed that will be that index we get by using that index of methods. Now we will see the next method, that is the last index of methods. It is completely opposite than the index of method, means we will get the last index of that a of that particular string by using that last index of method. So that's all about the today's our video topic, that is the string. Thank you.